Hello everybody, how are you? You're good? I hope you're good. My name is Adam. So everybody say, hi Adam. Hi Adam. It's nice to see you, Adam. It's nice to see you, Adam. Yes. Okay. Look at this. What's this one right here? What's this? I'll put it here. It's a room. It's a living room. So everybody say, living room. La la living room. Right. So, inside the living room, there are certain things. There are some things in the living room. I will teach you some things in the living room. Yay! First word. Telephone. Telephone. Moshi moshi, yeah? Hello? Oh, yeah. Telephone. Say, telephone. 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 Say, telephone. Telephone. Okay. Say, vase. Vase. V. Vase. Vase. So what is a vase? Do you drink a glass? No. So what is it? You put flowers in the vase. Here. This is a vase. A vase. Usually you put flowers in the vase. Vase. Sometimes we call it a vase. You can say vase or a vase. I will just say vase. Vase. You say vase. 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 Oh, look at this. It's a lamp. Lamp. Can you say lamp? Lamp. 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 Good. This is the shade, the lamp shade. It has a picture of a kangaroo. All right. Can you say lamp? Lamp. 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 What's this one? What's this one? It's a clock. A clock. Tick tock, tick tock goes the clock. Clock. Say clock. Clock. Cla, cla, clock. Clock. Okay. So, what's this? Telephone. Telephone. What's this one? Vase. What's this one? Lamp. And this one? Clock. Tick tock goes the clock. All right. So, telephone, telephone, telephone. Vase, vase, vase. Lamp, lamp, lamp. Clock, clock, clock. All right. Warm up. Or let's practice familiarizing yourselves with these words. So, if I do this, hello, you say telephone. If I do this, what's that? Vase. Clock. Okay, ready? So I will mime the words, and you tell me which vocabulary is best suited. All right, ready? Okay, what's this one? Telephone. Good. That's a telephone. What's this one? What's that one? Vase. Yes, it's a vase. Now how about, what's this one? Lamp. That one's a lamp. And how about this? The last one is clock. Yes. All right. So, I point, you say. I point, you say. Telephone. Vase? Yes, it's a vase. Don't worry, you're right. It's a vase. How about this one? Clock. Good. And this one? Lamp. Yes. And quite good. Telephone. Telephone. Vase. Lamp. Clock. Telephone. Clock. Lamp. Vase. So, these are things in the living room. They are in the living room. Good. So these are your words. You need to know how to spell them. Yes, you need to know. You have to learn. So, here's the spelling. So, say lamp. Lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. P-P-P. Pa-pa-pa. M-P. Mp. Mp. A-M-P. Amp. Amp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. Good. What's this one? Clock. And where is it? Here. Clock. C-L-O-C-K. K-K-K. K-K-K. C-K. K. O-C-K. Ok. L-O-C-K. Lock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Clock. You say clock. Good. Next one. New vase. We have a new one. Vase. V-A-S-E. Vase. S-E. Z. A-S-E. Aze. V-A-S-E. Vase. You say vase. 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 And the last one. This word is a little more difficult. Long word. Telephone. Telephone. Be careful. It's not telephone or telephone. No. Say telephone. Telephone. Okay. T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E. Whew. That's a big word. T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E. 9 letters. Whoa. So say N-E. N. O-N-E. Own. P-H. F. P-H-O-N-E. Phone. Phone. E-P-H-O-N-E. A phone. L-E-P-H-O-N-E. La phone. E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E. Elephone. T-L-E-P-H-O-N-E. Telephone. 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 So you say telephone. Telephone. Good. All right. So that's our spelling. One more time. Telephone. Telephone. Vase. Vase. Lamp. Lamp. Clock. Clock. And these are things in the living room. In. In. Okay. So we'll put these down for now. Say goodbye clock. Goodbye lamp. Goodbye vase. And goodbye telephone. Things in the living room that went goodbye. All right. Good. Deep breath in. Let's practice our prepositions. Our prepositions. Say in, on, under. So do you know in, on, and under? In. Look, this pen is in my hand. In. Look here, the telephone is in the living room. The mouse is in the living room. Say on. On. The pen is on my hand. The pencil is on my hand. Oh, look. It's on my head. The pencil is on my head. Say under. Under. Oh, now the pencil is under my, it is under my hand. The pencil is under my head. And now it's under my leg. In, on, under. Yes. Okay. So remember, these were things, the vase was something that was in the living room. In the living room. Okay, good. So let's practice in, on, under. One more time. Say on. The pencil. Think about the pencil. So the pencil is on my head. You say on. If the pencil is in my hand, you say in. One word only. Okay? So everyone say, what's this? On. In. Under. On. On the table. Under. Under the vase. In. It's in my shoe. Good. Okay. So try to remember. That's important. In, on, and under. All right. So let's go into the living room. Dun, 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 dun. We have a vase and a telephone and a clock. And look at this. Whoa. And a lamp. And a lamp. So I can ask you a question. Wait. Say, look, the telephone. It's on the vase. It's on the vase. So you can say, there is a telephone on the vase. You say, there's a telephone on. The telephone is on the vase. So you say, there's a telephone on the vase. Go. There's a telephone on the vase. There's a telephone on the vase. There's a telephone on the vase. There's a clock under the vase. There's a clock under the vase. You say, there's a clock under the vase. There's a clock under the vase. Good. So how about now? You can say, there's a vase on the... There's a vase on the... What is the vase on? The vase is on the clock. Yes. There's a vase on the clock. There's a vase on the clock. Good. All right, so now let's make a question. Make a question? Really? A question, you say? Yes, we shall make a question. So, if I say, how do you make a question? There's a vase on the clock. You change. Is there a vase on the clock? That's a question. Is there a vase on the clock? I don't know. I can't see. Is there a vase on the clock? You tell me. You tell me. Is there a vase on the clock? Is there a vase on the clock? You say, yes. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Is there a lamp on the clock? Is there a lamp? Is this on the clock? No. No. No, there isn't. No, it's not. It's over here. Yeah, not on the clock. Pfft, no. Say, yes. Yes. Yes, there is. No. No. No, there isn't. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Okay, so let's practice. We have 2 here and 2 here. Is there a clock under the vase? Is there a clock under the vase? Yes or no? Yes, there is a clock under the vase. Is there a vase under the clock? Is there a vase under the clock? No. No. There's no vase under the clock. You can see here? No. No, 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 no. Okay. So, you, over there. Is there a telephone on the lamp? Is there a telephone on the lamp? Yes or no? Telephone on the lamp. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yes. There is a telephone on the lamp. Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Is there a teacher here? Yes, there is. Is there a teacher here? No, there isn't. Yes, there is. I'm just joking. There is. Okay, good. Yes, so is there a lamp under the telephone? Is there a lamp under the telephone? Yes. Yes, there is. Okay, so say, goodbye, vase. Goodbye, clock. Goodbye, telephone. Goodbye, lamp. Let's do an activity. I will say, and you come up to the board and show me. So I say, there is a lamp under the telephone. There is a lamp under the telephone. Who can help me? Who can help me? Oh, I can help you, teacher. There is a lamp under the telephone. So let me see. Lamp is here, and there is a lamp under the telephone. Under. The lamp is under. Good. There is a lamp under the telephone. Good job. Good bunny. One more. There is a clock on the vase. There is a clock on the vase. Who can help me? I can help you. Clock here and vase here. There is a clock on the vase. Good. Very good, everybody. So everyone say goodbye, teacher. Bye-bye. See you next time.